Bago ako dito. What's up, guys?
Transition, takpan mo na in 3, 2, 1.
What's up, guys? Welcome to our year-end party exclusively for Sir Arman! Or before that, pinakita ko tite.
Go, Kylie!
Wait, special number kayo mamaya.
September we met.
Documentation, required kayong magbate. Ang hindi bumate, walang uno. Hey! Ayan, bumate ako. Uno.
Talaga Pilipino.
Uno. Wala, tatawanan gusto daw. Oh, documentation to. Documentation, guys. Documentation.
Hi, sir! Hi, sir!
I could tell by your smile you hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while.
Thank you, sir!
Ang ganda naman, oh.
Hi, sir! Thanks sa uno! Thank you, sir!
Kayong dalawa? Kayong dalawa?
Yeah, you were impressed. Couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time.
Mga suki kayo ng video.
And I had control in the driver's seat, but my hands are slipping off the wheel. Now the tables have turned.
Hi, sir! Wala daw una kay sir ang ginawa natin.
Now I'm up all night. I'm picturing you acting like a fool. I'm on the other side.
Ayoko na! Bago ako dito.
Ang mga masisipag po nating officer, introducing Miss
Oo, kaibigan ba to?
Introducing Miss Maribel Bracho, our secretary. Yes, and this is
Palamuti lamang ako!
introducing ang napakasipag nating Vice President, Miss Ella.
Ayusin mo, bubugbugin kita.
Ella Ancheta. Siya po ang tumulong sa banderitas ng ating masugid na tagahanga. Masugid na tagahanga.
Side. You're like a full moon, and I'm up all night, howling at you.
Ang pangalawa, si Kylie!
Nananaed! Tropa ko yan! Para sa 100!
Kinausan na!
Tables have turned. Tables have turned.
as one until graduation. Ang other session that I have handled as year 15, ngayon ako nakita na ito, munti ka na siya. Yan naman, mapapakakuha ng mga face what ang mabagsak, you will miss. Not unless mag-graduate school kayo,
Tables have turned. Tables have turned. Tables have turned.